Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and before we will actually be able to change the resolution, we have to set the video mode. So let's tap on the video, which is, as you can see, on the left from the photo. And since it is highlighted in this yellowish color, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can open the settings. So we have to tap right here, so the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and the first and actually the only bar which is available right here is connected with the resolution. We've got only two different options to from which we can choose. Currently we've got 1080p option applied with 30 frames per second. As you can see, this option is highlighted in this yellow color again, and we can set only the 720p. And as you can see, it is so easy. All you have to do is to just tap on the option like to use. So basically that's all. This is how to change the video resolution in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.